Hello everyone, I bring another video online charts. We're going to use this financial market in another indicator. You can try it, right? You can try indicator with any chart. The important thing is that you will understand the strategy. Alright, today here the candles are added lines, alright? No candles or something else. Let's add this stochastic indicator. That is very common for you. I'm going to set it right now 1433 and a simple movement. Alright, that's good, and that is the color for you. Or you can see that in value on 0 if you want it. Alright, that's up to you. But it's best to leave in that save in here. Going to start with the analysis on the line chart as such. I already explained this not before the video, as I said. And, well, I have to notify the viewers, guys. It's such so it's to help me understand where I'm going to enter. But you always have to look at the trends. M10 and put this on 30 minutes. Alright. Let's see that. M30. And to see the area. I'm not entering at the point where it shouldn't. The range on that is 9 and 30 minutes. M30 to M10. It's 1 minute. Alright. And we're gonna use $20. $28. Okay, guys, let's go to the current chart. Okay, look, that's compression. I'm going to wait to see this range. I'm going to wait for the breaks upward. I can trade this down or up. Well, the trend is more than anything else. It's a big movement from this point. It's upward in this pair. So I'm speculation that we go up. Yup, but I'm going to wait for the breaks the lowest because if I enter now, I could lose just as much. Look at that, it's giving me the entry. I will take it, I will finish and explain it. Okay, I'm going to do that, euro to graph pair every minute. The price is falling at this point, and let's make this high. Okay, so let's wait for this, guys. The falling again and start to form the structures, and that's the trends upward and enter on the upside. So to go short on this, I saw way to break this level. If it doesn't break the level, this price is going to rise, guys. We need to pay attention on that. That's what the movement is doing. Even though I said it's more difficult to trade, I can't wait for it to reach the button and see how it reacts if the price doesn't go there. Look at that line right here right now. The support line. Okay. It's trend. I trade with the trend. That is clear for you, right? So that's the point. Already position this, guys, $28 of profits on that. Okay, 28 to 52. That's a good start. So now second position this, I will try with 52, right? So what it does here? We got the resistance support line, and that's the point for now, right now. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That is measuring me and telling me the exclusive warning to get there. It's telling me yes, and that the price is closing above and the trend is upward. I'm waiting to see what it does. No fake situation. Look at the close above. It's close above, it's ready to close as go up. Look, I'm going to enter the same pair, and that's the continue of the trend. Do I see the breaking? There's almost 2 candles above, like that, 2 candles. Look at the classic candles. There's indicated to me, well, that's M1. That's one I saw around 30 seconds. And look at 2 candles above in 30 seconds. If you notice how many look at M30, guys, that's important. I see the times in launch 1 minute. I'll wait for the results of the second position and look at this. All right, man. Second correct call on the win on Euro CDF, $97 that profits on this. That's clear work well for us, guys, even better than expected. I observed that compression, the price went up, but I'm going back in, not here. Well, it's raining a lot now, so I have to wait for a look or another entry. Well, it's a strong breakout range to wait for a pullback. I'm going shortly, lads, see if we get a pullback and change the outlook. I think it's going to the position. 1 minute. Remember that. That's again, look this, just pass through or support line again and just going down. Alright. See that's look trend downward. If you go to M30 impulse pullback, I see the back gap here. You can see on the chart when it's still in rise or fall these checks. It's really leaving it empty. What is the price is going? Fill this in. If I go to the classic, I may see the same thing. Yes, look at the big candle and the entry. It's there. So I'm going with the trend while I see sharp drop in the last few candles in classic. All right. Look at that. Let's wait to see how the last position in the Euro CDF.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Turns out for us. Look at this. Another win, guys. $178. Okay. I think the entry was a while ago. I mean, I should have sold here when I saw this crossing strongly. But it's okay, right? This could possibly be a continuation of the trend. Few out there again, but it went away. In my case, I'm not going to trade anywhere. I raised my account 78 to 178. As I told you, it's up to you, M10 or M30. You have to understand the price structure in order to find the entry. Look here at M10. Oh no, look here, that's slowly starting to go up. Possibly not. We start to break zone and last fall there. It's what I will look for. It does sometimes consider of the causation, guys. It doesn't depend on the zone, it depends on the trend, that support factor. The structure is what matters, and as you saw, the position war on the base and the price action analysis. If you like this video, guys, please like it, share in the comments, and see the chart has been used for. I mentioned it before. Well, I wish you all the best of luck, guys. See you in the live YouTube session and have a great day until the next video. See you guys, have a good day, and bye-bye.